Attention! Perfect Crime is on the hunt for a new production stage manager, and the clock is ticking with an August 15, 2025 deadline. If you're ready to step into one of New York's most enduring off-Broadway mysteries, read on. But here's where it gets controversial. The weekly minimum is set at $1,330. Too low for the demands of an AEA show, or just the industry standard? And this is the part most people miss. They want someone who can dive in immediately, no major schedule conflicts allowed. Category, technical. See link, https://playbill.com/job/technical. Company, Perfect Crime Inc. Location, the Theater Center, 210 W 50th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York 10019. Job details. Title, Production Stage Manager, Permanent Replacement. Contract, Off-Broadway Run. Weekly pay, $1,330 minimum. Category C. Union, Actors Equity Association, AEA. Training week, August 18 to 24th, 2025. First day on the job, August 25th, 2025. This role demands someone who is available immediately and can commit fully over the next few months. You'll oversee all technical rehearsals, coordinate with cast and crew, and ensure each performance of Perfect Crime maintains its polished suspense. Submission instructions. Send your resume by August 15, 2025. Email to submissions@perfectcrime.com or mail to Catherine Russell, The Theater Center, 210 W 15th Street, 4th floor, New York. Key personnel, Armand Hyatt, Executive Producer, Sarah Marshall, Associate Director, Catherine Russell, General Manager. Show status, currently running off-Broadway at the Theater Center. Learn more at perfectcrime.com. Equities contracts strictly prohibit discrimination. AEA is committed to diversity and inclusion, encouraging performers and crew of every ethnicity, gender identity, age, and ability to apply. Apprentices and veterans alike are welcome. What matters most is your talent and dedication. So what do you think? Is a $1,330 weekly rate sufficient for this level of responsibility? Or should Off-Broadway pay more? Do the tight deadlines compromise your creative process? Share your thoughts and spark the debate below.